Three incredible moments that changed the world thanks to computers. In 1943, Alan Turing had this machine deciphered 84,000 encrypted messages. In 1979, they helped use the perform the calculation so that the man could research the moon. And in 1998, Google was created, where more than 4 million researches are made a day. Today, computers are used in almost every aspect of your lives. We have them in our homes, at work, and in your pocket. And they work thanks to programming. So it's time for you to learn how to create it. In this course, you will learn how to make a web platform from scratch with the last technology, the stack method, the visual structure with React, service with Node.js and Express, database with MongoDB. Many of these tools used by the most important technology companies worldwide. My name is Diego Luna, co-founder of MoonMakers and a full-stack JavaScript developer. My course is available now with limited space, so go to campus.make.co/Diego-Francisco-Luna-Lo. Sign up and start to change the world with programming.